So I'm Ian Churcher and I lead the drug discovery group at BenevolentAI. So we're a London-based drug discovery company, and I've described today how we're using all sorts of different data that are available to improve the process of discovering new drugs and bringing them to the patients that need them. Essentially, the challenge today is that there are so many data available from so many different sources, and they're very difficult to bring all together and to analyse and to draw firm conclusions from. So at Benevolent, we've created what we call a knowledge graph, which brings all of those data together and allows us to bring new conclusions, new insight from all of those data. Data include genomic data, patient-level data, a lot of data from the scientific literature. And we use those to solve what I think are the three really important questions in drug discovery. What is your drug target? What is your therapeutic hypothesis that you're going to base your entire program on? That's a really important question. That's the first one. The second one is, how can you identify a specific drug molecule that you're going to use to give to patients? And the third question is, who are the patients going to be that are going to be the ones that you're going to target with your therapy? And we look at all three of those, and we really believe if we're going to fundamentally change the way that drugs are discovered today, we need to look at all of those parts of the process. So that's what we're doing at Benevolent. And I shared a specific example around how we're doing that in ALS, motor neuron disease, where we've been able to come up with novel targets, come up with new molecules, and show that they work in amazing preclinical models of the disease. And we're hoping to take these ideas into the clinic in the near future. And the last piece that I just touched on as well was around how we can look at diseases in new ways by looking at the underlying mechanisms in the disease and bring all of these data that I've spoken about, bring them together with data from patients, from clinicians, to look at patients in different ways, to look at their diseases in different ways and find what's the underlying cause of their disease. Because if we can do that, we can run clinical trials more efficiently, we can get medicines to patients more efficiently, and fundamentally improve the whole process. I think it's a tremendously exciting time for healthcare, for drug discovery. What AI can allow us to do is truly going to be transformational, and I'm so excited to be here at the RSM and be at Benevolent to be part of that.